Hi guys, welcome to Select Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, in today's video I just come bearing bread news. Sadiki, Skim Sam actress who is also a YouTuber, her house burnt down. Her house literally burnt down. Can you guys imagine that? Like, I'm just glad her and the kids are fine, but guys, all your hard work, all your furniture, all your clothes are in there, the school uniform for your kids, it's just a lot. It's a lot. It's really a lot. I just feel sorry for her. I feel sorry for the kids, guys. They have built so many memories in that house. I'm just she looked so heartbroken in those videos. She was crying, but I know that she's a woman of God. She trusts God. She knows God is still with her, because she made a post on Instagram, and you can tell yes, she knows what happened, but she still believes in God. She know God has a plan for her, because some people, Kesana, me included, when something happens, something bad happens, guys, I feel like God doesn't love me. I feel like God has favorites. Why am I facing this and that? I just lose hope when something goes bad. But she is just so heartbroken, guys, but she doesn't stop believing that God is indeed alive, and everything has a plan, man. Everything has a plan. Everything happens for a reason. So there were a few celebrities that commented, including Amanda Dupont, saying that her home is open for her. She can just come. Her and the kids are welcome. And a lot of people just offered their condolences for the loss of their home. Guys, just look at this. It's so heartbreaking. It's so heartbreaking. Now you have your before and after pictures. Like, it's so sad, man. It's so sad. This is what she posted. She said, "From what we called our home, we now have nothing. Our house burnt down today. Lord, you are still our God. We are shattered. We thank God none of us are injured. Pray for us, please." And then Tumantano commented and said, "Oh my, I'm so sorry, sister. God be with you during these difficult times." It's really so sad, guys. It's really so sad. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.